Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to design a shirt for your baby or toddler using your Cricut Explore Air 2. First, be sure to set your dial between vinyl and iron-on and cut your Cricut Explore on. Next, take out your adhesive mat and attach the heat transfer vinyl of your choice. Inside Cricut Design Space, select your design and resize it to fit your apparel. Click on the green button Make It and be sure to mirror your image and hit Continue. Once you hit Continue, the button on your Cricut will be flashing and it's time to load your mat. Next, hit the middle button on your Cricut to start the cutting process. Please let us know in the comments below if and how you are living your best life. Once the cutting process is complete, the arrow will start flashing for you to unload the mat. Now remove your vinyl and start peeling away the excess vinyl. Once you've removed the vinyl you cut by hand, grab your Cricut weeder tool and gently start removing the pieces in between the letters. Once you're finished, it's time to see your design come to life. Grab your tee and make sure you carefully place your design centered within the shirt. It's always great to have a ruler on hand to make sure your design is in the right place before pressing. Next, carefully place your garment on the heat press and make sure it's covered. I'm covering mine with wax paper, but sometimes I use a pillowcase. You can pretty much use whatever thin fabric you have around. Once you've pressed your design about 3 times for 30 seconds each, you should be able to remove the plastic. Now it's time to make sure your design is really locked in, so make sure you press it a couple more times. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on if you enjoyed this video. Thanks!